Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Caliber. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fired up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. We are back on this beautiful, beautiful day at Universal Studios Hollywood. We got a lot of updates to do. Fast and Furious, maybe some merch. Some new lounge that has now arrived.
Backlot.
Yeah. Studio tour. Yep. Is there a house? Is a tent up anywhere?
I just hope. There's no word.
It's supposed to happen soon. I could imagine. It's already March. It's already March.
We're in March already.
Yep.
A year ago.
I know. All right, Junior. Let's fire this up, man. Let's go. Today actually feels like a day in March. It seems like it's gonna be low crowds.
Yeah, low crowds, empty.
Yeah.
Pretty good day today.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's take a look at the wait times. It's 2 o'clock. Wow. Everything's great.
You'll find it on the right-hand side.
Nothing's really bad. I love it. I rarely get a chance to check on Hello Kitty, but Hello Kitty tumbler right here. 35 bucks. Got some shirts. Back to the Future Hello Kitty. Got some character merch. Surprisingly, they have these available, 40 bucks. I got the shirt and even the wallet and button for the pin. Just want to showcase some of the other characters they have out here. Feels good to be back to get some Fast and Furious updates. Lots of construction happening on the upper lot. For the most part, everything on the lower section of this is all kind of just delayed because of the rain. We've been having a lot of rain, and there's rain, I guess, coming Wednesday. There is some speculation that's going to be happening soon, which is the foundation blocks are going to be put out throughout this whole area for the actual roller coaster to start getting constructed. So roller coaster beams and all that are somewhere, have to be somewhere near here if that's going to be happening, which that's going to be very exciting. We're going to be covering all of this construction, even if it's a day-by-day thing. When all that starts happening, it's going to be exciting. So please subscribe if you're interested in that type of content. But let's get a closer view at what's happening. This section, it seems like that's where all the manpower is going on right now. One big thing too that has been confirmed is this is going to have lockers. So lockers are for sure being constructed somewhere because the ride is going to be that intense. And this upper lot area is just going vertical so fast. You could now literally see it when you're standing like Harry Potter area, or I guess Simpsons Donuts area. It's all above the walls now. And we're here with Crystal and Chris. Chris was saying that a lot of construction is happening now on the other side of the escalator, so we'll get a good look at that. I brought you a snack, Dracula. Over here, next to the escalators, is going to be obviously part of Fast and Furious, but they got beams going throughout now. Over here as well. And this is where like a big loop is going to be happening. But the question is how much of this section is going to be used for the roller coaster? Where is the entrance to Fast and Furious still? That's a big question that nobody knows yet. One big question we keep asking, is the tent going to come behind Mummy? If I'm not mistaken, Parisian Courtyard has already been almost a confirmation that there will be a Halloween Horror Night house there. But Mummy, it's still up in the air. And the big question still is, does Toxic Tunnel get used, you know? Very big question. And then do we get the Metro sets? Do we get the Metro sets in 2024? Lots of questions to be asked. And as far as I could see, the wood is still there. And will the first tent to go up this year, will it be behind Transformers? All these Horror Night questions to be asked. We're going to be going on the studio tour in a little bit, but we're actually going to check out a new location, uncharted territory. There's a new Visa card that has been debuted by Universal Studios Hollywood themselves, and they have a lounge. So if you have the credit card, you could go in the lounge, and it's right next to like Starbucks down there in the lower lot. That's where we're headed next. Finally made it to the lower lot, and we're trying to find the Visa lounge. Where the heck is it? I think this is it. It's right here, Junior. It's like super hidden door. Wow. What? Is this the lounge? Uncharted territory, Chris. Brand new in here. So they have a seating area, wireless charging. Come chill in here. Nice lounge. You have to have a Visa card. Is it Universal Visa?
Universal.
Or just a Visa?
Universal Visa.
Okay. So you gotta have that. And you get snacks. They have waters for everybody. They're playing the Mummy. This is nice. And most importantly, you get this cool view that a perspective you don't see very often. Just for reference, that's where we were, right there. Above the Starbucks. What'd you think, Junior?
It was awesome. I love the paint inside. Cool place to chill, watch a movie, eat your drink your water, eat snacks.
Charge your phone.
Makes you want to fall asleep.
I know. It was too comfortable in there.
Yeah, it was very comfortable.
And it's very quiet in there.
Yeah, it's very quiet, but it's awesome.
Take advantage if you have the Visa Universal.
Just take advantage, apply, see if you get approved.
It'd be nice, just 20 minutes in there, chill.
Yeah, just 20 minutes chill.
Just relax. All right. I heard there's some new Transformers stuff, and then we're going to go into Super Nintendo World and talk about a couple things in there.
This has been a glorious day for recruitment for the Autobots.
Up next, we're going to go to Production Central. There's a new popcorn bucket. Over here at Production Central, I guess I call it the Transformer store. There's a new bucket that has arrived. Bumblebee, and it actually lights up. These popcorn buckets are getting so sophisticated. My Lanta, does it move? Oh no, arms don't move, but it does light up. And you get popcorn free refills for the day. It's being sold for 35 bucks. A lot of new Bumblebee merch. Sweater, long sleeve. They got a hat too. And then a couple new shirts. I've never seen these at Universal. We're at Super Nintendo World for one reason. Does it have Express? I can confirm, at least as of today being Monday, does not have Express. Mario Kart has VIP, single rider, and standby, no Express. Maybe one day, maybe when Fast and Furious opens, maybe that adds Express, I don't know. But we'll see, we'll keep you posted if it ever does change. Before we get on out of here, we're gonna check out One Up Factory. Just to let everybody know, they still got the gold power-up bands, 52 bucks. First time seeing this toy. And Bowser Jr. Can Bowser Jr. come to the park? Bring him to Hollywood. They still got these toys as well. Peach and then Luigi. I'm not sure if this is new or not. I feel like it's my first time seeing this Yoshi. That's pretty cool. 37 bucks. Always want to showcase what ears and hats are available. Always get asked about it. Since it's 3 o'clock, we can't not use our Express. We gotta go on Jurassic. Why not? We're down here. We're getting so wet. We're going back to the upper lot to go on the studio tour, check out Earthquake, whatever's happening with War of the Worlds. And do we go back to the Bates Motel finally?
The first soundstage is coming.
All the trees are gone.
Of the hill, a little to the left there. That is soundstage 12, one of the largest and oldest single soundstage filmed inside of soundstage 12. And you can see it's large enough.
Wood here. A lot of wood.
To those in that area. For a classic spy, they built this entire courtyard here next to this church. They added all those doors, the mosaics on the walls. They added an additional wall with all the little trees. Those trees are not usually there. They brought them in for the TV show, and they added this entire fence here. So they've been filming there for a classic spy again with Ted Danson. Now, this street is called London.
We're not even going that way. No Earthquake update today.
Instant school on the red court, and I'll be back. If you have any emergencies or require assistance, pull on the red cord, and I'll be back to assist you as soon as it is safe to do so. Now, to tell you about where we're headed next, I'm going to leave you with Kiki Polymer.
What's up, Studio Tour? I'm Kiki Palmer from Jordan Fields Film. What's that here?
Jupiter's claim from the movie Nope. If you look on the left, you'll see the remnants of a 747 jet that was brought here and destroyed for just one scene in Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. And there's a big beige house in the back of that area. That's the back of the Psycho house from the movie Psycho, directed by Alfred Hitchcock in 1960. Now, we're going to Jupiter's Claim. I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of Academy Award-winning writer.
So lots going on the studio tour. We did not go to War of the Worlds, Bates Motel, Earthquake. Very condensed version of studio tour right now, but we keep hearing lots of big things coming for the 60th. I can't wait. The 60th is actually, I think in July, if I'm not mistaken. But I heard that the celebration for that might start earlier, like an April kind of thing. Hopefully we get announcements. We need official announcements from Universal. Last update of the day, Universal Studio Store. Let's check it out. The Toretto chain hasn't come back. They got the hat and then the shirt, but not the chain. I keep keeping an eye out for that, but the Fast and Furious poster? That is so rad. That is old school. Always looking for new Jurassic Park, Jurassic World merch. I found this. Very soft to the touch, and then a backpack, like a small one. That is all for today's updates over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We will be back. Hopefully we get a tent for Halloween Horror Nights in March, maybe April, but I'm excited and start talking HHN all the time. But we're gonna keep track of what's happening with Fast and Furious roller coaster, and I'm hearing a lot of rumor and speculation happening with the amount of change that could be coming to this theme park in the near future. It's pretty insane. Thank you all for watching Five Fires YouTube. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Smash that like button. We're firing it down.